Island Resort on Captiva Island. I'm standing at 1253 Seabreeze, which is also known as 1253 South Seas Plantation Road. This has one of the most spectacular views, the closest to the water you're going to find here at South Seas. If you look and you can see in the backdrop, you have the Pine Island Sound, lots of activity going on, boats. There's typically, you would see dolphins frolicking, manatees meandering, of course the wildlife of the birds and the pelicans, fish jumping around, and of course just the boaters in themselves is great entertainment. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, single level. In Seabreeze, they have their own elevator. They also have under-building parking. This condo has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. The view also is over the golf course out to the Gulf of Mexico. Let's go inside and take a look.